How to bet on Betway. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can bet on Betway, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now betting on Betway is also fairly easy. First of all, go to Betway and log into your account. Now here you can first of all choose a game which you'd like to bet on, or you can go to the top game section, select a certain game on which you'd like to place a bet. From here you can see, just tap to go full screen. So now we can go full screen, and now we can choose to play a game and then place the bet in that regard here. Now similarly, you will also be able to see other games over here. So you can go to the sports tab as well if you want to place a bet on sports, and then here you can see all this, and then you can go ahead and place a bet here depending upon which one it is that you like. This way you can bet on Betway. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.